How do you know when your inlet filters are getting dirty, and how do you automate that notification? First thing we're going to do is build a diagnostic in EtaPRO. So we're going to start with a start block, and then we're going to come up to a decision block, and we're going to connect to that. So we open up the decision block, and we're going to look at an EtaPRO value, and the value we want to find is our inlet filter DP. So we select GT1 inlet air filter DP. We assign a variable, A, and then we put in an equation to check if A is true or false. So we want to know when A is greater than 4 inches. Okay, so now we have that decision. The next thing we're going to do is add an action. And within this action, we are going to tell EtaPRO to send us an email when inlet filter DP gets over 4 inches. Here, we're able to add subscribers, so who's going to receive the email. And then here, we can put the message and what it's going to say. In this instance, we might say inlet filter DP climbing. And then we can actually show what the variable is. Now we just simply bring in an end block, and we connect these all together. And then lastly, if it's a no, it goes straight to the end instead of sending the email message. And this is how you can tell if your inlet filter's getting dirty and get an automated notification of when it is.